I've stopped all production of the Paulk Workbench at Fastcap. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop office. Well, it's sad news. Yes, we gave a valiant attempt to produce the physical bench and ship it out so that it can either be completely assembled and you can get it ready to use, or the parts and pieces to assemble yourself. We've been at it a couple of years, and we have tried many different ways to make it profitable. And we haven't even been able to get it to break even. It's been a money loser. Every bench has gone out the door subsidized. You can purchase it unassembled for $565. That includes shipping, packing, and shipping. Or you can purchase it assembled for $675. Again, packaged and shipped to your door. So the availability of the bench is limited to the inventory that we currently have. I'll put a link to the Fastcap store in the description down below, and you can go there and order one if you want. Again, I haven't checked the latest inventory. Thank everybody for supporting it and wanting it, and maybe one day I'll be able to bring it back or figure out a way. But I want to make the best bench possible, and I think at this point in time, focusing on the plans and continuing to refine the plans and refine the bench and make it so that it is the absolute best portable carpenter's bench on the planet. I think it's that now. I can't find anything even remotely close to it on the market. I wish I could have made the physical bench work, but that's a totally different world. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop office. If you are interested in supporting the channel, you can purchase one of my workbench plans, or you can use our Amazon link to purchase anything from the Amazon store at no additional cost to you, and they share a little bit with us. But most important, share the channel with others. Have a great day.